Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to do language detection using MediaPipe in React Native's new architecture. So this video is only for only for Android, because iOS is not supported at the time of this recording. If you want iOS support as well, I have already made a video on how to do language detection as well as translation using MLKit in React Native's new architecture, both for Android and iOS. So you can watch that video if you are interested, but this would be using MediaPipe. So firstly, you will have to download this TensorFlow Lite model. Once you download this, I'll show you the output as well. So here I have one button called classify, and once you click on that, it will I'm passing some hard-coded string, and here it will give you the language code, which is Hindi. HI stands for Hindi, but I think it only gives language code, it does not give the entire language name, so maybe you can check on that. But yeah, I think if you want the entire language name, you can create a static JSON file and map all the language code with the language name, and with the help of language code you can get the language name. So download this TensorFlow Lite model. Next, you will have to create your React Native project, and you will have to search for new arc enabled inside gradle.properties and make this as true. Next, you will have to go to Android app src main, create an assets folder, and here you will have to drag and drop your TF Lite model. Next, inside build.gradle, you will have to update the min SDK version to 24, and you will also need to go to this build.gradle, and here you will have to update the Kotlin version to 1.9.0. Next, I have created a folder called RTN mylang detection, and this is a turbo module, so will be copying everything from this documentation. So recently React Native have moved the documentation to GitHub instead of their docs. I don't know why, but yeah, you can. So a lot of code will be copy pasted from this doc. Next, you will have to go to package.json. Again, here I have copy pasted everything from the docs. Only this changes, this changes, this changes, and this changes. Next, I have created a podspec file. Again, I have copy pasted everything from the docs. Only this name changes. Next, I have created a JS folder. Inside that, I have created a TypeScript file. Again, I have copy pasted it from the docs. Only I have created this detect method, which takes a strings and returns the output as a string, and this name has been changed. Next, I have created an Android folder. Inside that, I have created a build.gradle file. Again, copied everything from docs. Only build.gradle version has been updated. Compile SDK version has been updated. This name has been updated. Kotlin standard lib I am using 1.9.0. I have also added apply plugin Kotlin Android, and I have added the MediaPipe task test dependency. Next, go to src main java com rtn mylang detection, and here I have created mylang detection package.kt. Again, I have copy pasted everything from docs. Only this name changes, this changes, this as well as this. Next, I have created mylang detection module.kt. Again, I have copy pasted everything from docs. Here I have created our language detector options builder, and this name should be the same whatever you have defined it inside the assets folder. So if you remember, go to Android app src main assets, so whatever you have defined over here. And here I have created our language detector, initializing our language detector. This has been copied from docs, this has been copied from docs, only this name changes. And once the detect method is called, I am passing our text and returning the language code back to the user. Now you will have to go to your terminal, go to the root of your React Native project, and then run this command. Once you run this command, you will have to do cd ... It will move you outside your React Native project. Then you will have to run this command over here, but make sure you replace rnapp with your project name. As you can see, my project name is rnapp, so replace rnapp over here as well as over here, all these three. And then you will have to cd to the Android folder and then run this command. So this will do code generation for Android. Now to use it, you can import it something like this. Create a touchable opacity, and on press I am just calling detect method. Here you can pass whatever language you want to detect, string for that language. And once you get data, I am just updating our useState variable and displaying it inside our text variable. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.